Good morning, YouTube. This is Brett with Lit Window Cleaning. I just wanted to show you that this is what we call an awning screen, and it's a sunscreen, just something larger. It's fixed on a track, and this retracts up and down. And when you live out in the desert, these things get really dirty, and so I'm going to show you that we can clean these as well. And as you can tell, it looks like it was done with the power washer before, so we're going to see if we can recorrect that. And this is how dirty it is on the inside. Okay, so this is the end result right here. As you can see, there's no more pressure washing marks on here, no tiger stripes. This guy's completely dry. The ground is dry. This is what it looks like.